Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with amazing File Explorer tips and tricks to help you get the best out of its features. They are as follows. Customize the target folder for File Explorer. You can choose what you want to open whenever you launch File Explorer, this PC or Quick Access. First, open the File Explorer and then click on the three-dot menu option present on the ribbon. Next, click on Options to open up the Folder Options dialog window. Now, from the General tab, select Open File Explorer to this PC. Press the Apply OK button to save changes. Show Recycle Bin in the sidebar. By default, Recycle Bin is hidden in the File Explorer. If you want to view the Recycle Bin folder on the sidebar in File Explorer, you can do that. Scroll down to the bottom of the File Explorer sidebar and find an open space. Right-click in that open space and click on Show All Folders. This will check the option. The list of options in the sidebar should expand. You'll be able to notice the recycle bin in the expanded list. Customize folder layout. If you wish to customize folder layout, open the File Explorer window. In the File Explorer window, click on View from the list on the top. In the list, you will notice options changing the views of the icons and folder layout. If you click on Show, you will notice further options. Remove recent files history. File Explorer displays recently accessed files by default. If you don't want to see recently accessed items, you can choose to remove recent files from File Explorer. For that, just click on the three-dot menu option from the toolbar and select Options. In the Folder Options window, uncheck the option called Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access, present under the Privacy section. Customize folder thumbnail. Windows 11 File Explorer has some nice folder icons and thumbnails set by default. However, you can change them to your favorite icons and completely customize thumbnails for individual folders and files. Here are the steps you can do for that. Right-click on the folder for which you want to customize the thumbnail. Click on the Properties option. In the Properties window, navigate to the Customize tab. You can now select the icon file that you want to show on the thumbnail of the folder. Show Preview pane. In the File Explorer window, click on View to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Show. In the pop-up menu, click on Preview pane to show the preview pane. Share files directly from File Explorer. The option to share files directly from File Explorer is new in Windows 11. Simply right-click on the file and you'll find an option to share the file as an icon in the list on the top. You can share via nearby sharing, app, or email. Bulk rename files in File Explorer. Windows 11 File Explorer has this amazing feature of bulk renaming, which will save a lot of effort for those who need to rename files in a numerical sequence. You'll need to select the files in bulk, then right-click on the Select and select Rename. Enter any name, say ABC, and hit Enter. See the magic? All the names will now be in sequential order. Add or remove folders from Quick Access. You can add your favorite folders that you frequently visit to the Quick Access panel in File Explorer. This gives you easy access to important folders. Simply right-click on the intended folder and select Pin to Quick Access. We can go to the Quick Access folder to check the same. If you see the folder in the Quick Access menu and wish to remove it, simply right-click on it and select Unpin from Quick Access. Bulk rotate images from File Explorer. You can rotate multiple images in the File Explorer window. Simply select a set of images from a folder. Right-click on the complete selection and select Rotate Right or Rotate Left. Then see how all those selected images rotate. Create new files of different file types. Open File Explorer and go to the folder where you want to create a new file. Right-click on the empty space and then go to the New option. Select the file type you want to create. Enter the file name. Say the file name is ABC. Hit Enter. Your new file has been created. Open files with the correct app. A file can usually be opened with more than one application. If you wish to change the basic application for opening a file, then right-click on it and select Open With. Hover over to choose another app and click on it. Now click on More Apps to expand the list. From the list of applications, choose the one you prefer for opening the file and select OK. Quickly edit file metadata in File Explorer. This feature makes it exceedingly simple for you to manage the metadata of files. Simply click on a file to select it. Then press the Alt, Shift, and P keys together. The metadata will open in the right side. To change an entry, just double-click on its value. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.